Welcome to HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about page structure. Let's get started. This is the HTML page structure, and at the top we have doc type declaration, which tells the browser what the HTML version of the page is written. And we are having root element. All HTML documents start with HTML element to tell the browser that the entire document is composed in HTML, and we are wrapping all the code inside this root element, and we will have one head element and one body element. If you want to place a child element inside a parent element, please make sure that the whole element is placed inside the parent element, that is the opening and closing tag. Next, we will see about head element and body element. The head element is having information about page title, metadata, and links to external resources like style sheets and JavaScript files. Note that the content inside the head element will not be displayed on the web page. Next, we are having the body element. Body element is having the content that will be displayed on the web page. That's all about the HTML page structure. In the next video, we will see about live server and emmet. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.